Los Angeles Unified School District's wellness programs, in partnership with KLCS-TV and Dairy Council of California, present Let's Eat Healthy Together, a fun 12-episode food adventure. Join food educator and writer Chef Monti Carlo on a journey of food discovery through nutrition, agriculture, cooking, culture, and the senses. Watch with your family to learn and be inspired to eat healthy. Let's Eat Healthy Together premieres on KLCS-TV and watch on demand at healthyeating.org/together.
Let's eat healthy together!
Hi, my name is Maria Fry, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and community nutrition advisor with Dairy Council of California. I'm excited to share with you more information about our Let's Eat Healthy Together broadcast series. Los Angeles Unified Wellness Programs, KLCS-TV, and Dairy Council of California created this series with the goal of increasing class participation in nutrition education and providing educators with the flexibility to participate in nutrition activities at a day and time convenient to them. There are 12 episodes, consisting of 10 to 15 minutes each, and geared for a 3rd to 5th grade literacy level, though the topics may interest viewers of all ages. The variety of topics include nutrients, gut health, farm to you, label reading, and food culture and traditions. The episodes focus on how there is more than one way to eat healthfully.
Variety for food usually means to me like if you sort it by taste, I'd normally sort it with taste and with what's in the food, but I also sort it with like what category it would go into, like is it dairy food, is it fruits, is it vegetables?
And how valuable school meals are to support equitable access to nourishing food.
A number. How many lunches do you guys make a year?
Oh, so it's about 125 million.
Million?
Yes, million.
A year?
A year, yeah.
That is so much lunch and so much food.
By watching the episodes, the students can not only build lifelong healthy eating habits, but also think critically by making cross-curricular connections, like science.
Good bacteria live both inside and outside of your body, including in what's known as the gut.
And history.
The ancient Mayans invented tortillas, and when the Spanish discovered this delicious food, they called it tortilla, which means little cake.
The episodes provide a novel approach to addressing social and cultural diversity. Food is a universal topic that encourages social and emotional learning through discussion to get to know oneself and each other.
Foods that remind me of my culture are pierogies and stuffed cabbage, and in Polish it's pierogies and igurki.
Finally, teachers will find these videos useful to support the flipped classroom model for learning, and they can promote the videos to families to encourage the development of healthy habits at home. These episodes are especially relevant to watch during National Nutrition Month, which is this month. Students will get excited to learn about nutrition and the importance of fueling their bodies with nourishing food. Find these episodes at healthyeating.org/together. The broadcast series launch is only the starting point. Expanded learning activities are coming soon. Enjoy watching the series. We welcome your ideas to grow the educational experience with this resource. Please share with me at mfry@healthyeating.org and have a wonderful day.